Okay, dear student, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
How are you today?
I'm fine.
Fine. Are you,
Thank you.
are you sure that you are fine?
Good, ma'am.
Yes, good. Okay. If you say that you are good, please give your smile to me. You say you are fine, but your face not so that you are fine. Okay. Please give smile opening. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Thank you very much, my dear. Okay, my dear student. For today, I would like to tell about material, but before giving the material, I want to review the material because last week I had given, I have given the video to you. Do you still remember what did you study about last week? Masih ingat Ananda apa yang kita pelajari minggu lalu? At the time, I just give information in your WhatsApp. Still remember?
Remember.
Yeah. What is it? What did you study about last meeting? But what? Come on. Yeah.
Lupa.
Forget. Okay. Yeah. Okay. I want to share screen. Yeah. And then maybe you can concert your attention to my my PowerPoint. Yeah. Okay. Can you see my slide?
I
You see? Yes.
Amen.
Okay. So for today, I want to review actually and maybe give some explanation that is about recontext. Yeah. Still remember about recontext?
Itu
Yeah.
tell about something that happened in the past.
Okay, good. Yeah. That is tell about something. Yeah, about something in the past. Yeah. Okay. Any else? What else you know about recontext? Any else information about what you know about recontext? Okay, let's come, yeah. Now, my question here, do you still remember what did you do last week?
Yes.
Yes, can you tell? What is it?
Tugasnya kan, ma'am?
I mean, did you still remember what did you do last week?
Saya nggak ikut kelas di kemarin, tapi tugasnya saya tahu.
Okay, what did you do?
Mengisi LKS, ya kan?
Okay.
Page 36 and 37. About recontext.
About the context, okay. How about you, Nabila? What did you do last week? Yeah. Do you still remember? What you remember? Yang Ananda ingat saja. What did you do last week? Tadi Aura Tasha said that doing exercise ya on LKS ya Aura?
Last week libur nggak?
Last week. Okay, last meeting. I mean last week of our lesson.
Last meeting kan?
Yeah. Okay. Now how about if we change the topic? I mean, not about last meeting, but last week. So, do you still remember what did you do last week? Minggu kemarin. So on Tuesday, yeah, on Tuesday last week, what did you do?
Mem kasih tugas.
Yeah. Can you tell in English?
You give me a homework. It's
Okay.
page 40.
40. Okay. Nah, now how about the other? What did you do? Apa yang kamu lakukan? What activity you do last week? Kira-kira apa ya kegiatan yang dilakukan minggu yang lalu? Aura?
Iya, Mem.
Ya, what did you do last week? Apa yang you lakukan minggu lalu selain dari did the exercise from me?
Itu do a homework.
Okay, do homework. Selain do homework.
Oh, oke. Terserah kan, Mem, apa aja.
Yeah. The fact that you did
Saya-
last week.
I cooking.
Cooking, okay. What did you cook?
Rice.
Rice.
Iya.
Yes. No, else. Okay. How about you, Nazifa? Nazifa tadi senyum-senyum ini. What did you do last week, Nazifa?
Clean my I clean my
Yeah, you. Is it noisy there? Ribut nggak di sana? Ini ibu di jalan ini. Oke. Ya, Nazifa.
I clean my bedroom.
Okay, you clean your bedroom. Yeah. Any else? All day you clean the bedroom? Last week?
Last week.
Okay. Just think the others respond. Yeah. Later I will ask you again. Okay. How about okay. Yeah. Can you tell about it in this class? So can you tell about what did you do last week in this class? Bisa nggak Ananda bercerita tentang apa yang sudah dilakukan minggu lalu itu? Nabila? Halo Nabila?
Iya, Mem.
Yeah. Can you tell about it in this class?
Ceritakan kegiatan minggu
Iya.
lalu, Mem.
Yeah.
Pakai bahasa Inggris, Mem.
Yes, okay. How about the others? The others can answer my question. Yang lain boleh menjawab pertanyaan saya. Pertanyaan Mem. What did you do last week? Jihan Khairani, what did you do last week, Jihan? Halo Jihan. Ya silakan, bisa siapa saja yang menjawab ya. Jihan Khairani, Kaila, Silvi Rahma, Najwa Arifah, silakan. Coba sebutkan aktivitasnya last week yang terakhir yang kamu ingat apa-apa aja. Kan di sini kan do you still remember, yang kamu ingat aja. Tadi Aura mengatakan dia did homework, ya did exercise ya, and then siapa tadi?
Drawing.
Nabil. Okay, draw. What do you draw? What did you draw?
A girl.
A girl. Okay. Who is the girl in your mind?
My imagination.
My imagination, okay. Okay, yeah, in your imagination, who is the person actually in your imagination?
A girl with a crown.
Mhm. A
With a
princess?
crown and dress.
A princess, is it?
Yes.
Oh,
Little
okay.
bit like.
Yeah, okay, good. Next, Sakina. Hello, Sakina.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Can you tell what did you do last week?
I'm cooked a pancake.
Okay, cook a pancake. Okay, that's the sound is delicious. Yeah.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Um. So, do you know how make it? How to make it? Do you know how to make it pancake? What are the material?
I forget.
You forget. So you cook alone?
I'm read the recipe.
Okay, read the recipe. Yeah, and then you make it. Okay, I think it was delicious pancake you make. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Good. Thank you very much for answer my question about what did you do last week. Okay. Now let's see. We talk about my day. Yeah. You can read a text here. I want you read loudly, but please unmute your volume, yeah, your volume, your speaker, but you read it aloud. Okay, I give you time only about 2 minutes to read because it is a short paragraph. Okay, let's start. Hafal lagi suratnya satu lagi deh. Surat apa belum hafal semua. Hari ini selesai hafalannya. Oke, finish dear. Sudah selesai Nanda? Halo?
Belum, ma'am. Belum.
Oke, belum. Okay, if you cannot, if you are not clear enough to see my screen, you can see the text in our WhatsApp. I have shared it. Oke, semuanya bisa lihat di ini ya, di ini dulu di WA-nya sudah Ibu kirim. Mana ya? Oke, sudah selesai Ananda? Okay, now let's come to slide on your laptop or your camera. I would like one student read the text. Silakan satu orang yang mau membacanya. Oke, silakan satu orang. Nazifa Kamila, please read the text.
Belum siap, ma'am. Belum. Sedikit
Oke,
lagi.
please Bunga Fatima. Bunga Fatima.
Yeah, ma'am.
Ya, oke, please read.
I had a terrible day yesterday. First, I woke up and heard a light because my alarm clock didn't go off. Then I was such a hurry that I burned my hand when I was making breakfast. After breakfast, I got dressed so quickly.
Quickly.
Quickly. Did I forget to wear socks? Next, I ran out of the house trying to get the 9:13 horse. But of course, I missed it. I want to take a taxi, but I didn't have enough money. Finally, I walked the 3 miles to my school only to discover that it was Sunday. I hope never have a day as the one I had yesterday.
Okay, thank you. One more ya, satu lagi. I want Jihan. Hello, Jihan.
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Please open your camera, Jihan.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, okay. And then please read the text on the screen.
My day. I had a terrible day yesterday. First, I woke up an hour late because my alarm clock didn't go off. Then I was in such a hurry that I burned my hand when I was making breakfast. After breakfast, I got dressed so quickly that I forgot to wear socks. Next, I ran out of the house trying to get the 9:30 bus, but of course I missed it. I wanted to take a taxi, but I didn't have enough money. Finally, I walked the 3 miles to my school only to discover that it was Sunday. I hope I never have a day as the one I had yesterday.
Okay, thank you very much. Okay, now let's come talk about the text. Okay, what is the text about? What is the text about? Teksnya tentang apa ini?
The terrible day.
Okay, the terrible day. Whose terrible day?
The writer.
Okay, the writer's terrible day. Yeah. Do you know the meaning of terrible?
Kesal.
Ya,
Kacau.
menyesalkan, tidak menyenangkan ya, the terrible day ya. Oke. Oke, ini sebentar lagi putus, nanti connect lagi segera ya Ananda ya. Ini sebentar lagi putus ini. Oke. So it is about terrible day. Nah, do you know? So it is the writer terrible day ya, tentang hari terrible-nya si penulis. Oke. Nah, in the paragraph 1, what in paragraph 1 talk about? Pada paragraf 1 ini tentang apa? Yuk, silakan dibaca dan dilihat. Kira-kira pada paragraf 1 itu ceritanya talking about what?
Itu ya, terrible things that the writer. Bahasa Inggrisnya apa?
Ya, pardon?
Hadapi gitu.
Ya, jadi what about paragraph what one tell about talk about tentang apa?
Bentar, Mem.
Ada yang lain yang tahu? Silakan, yang tahu silakan jawab ya. Halo. Nah, paragraf 1 ini tentang apa? Tidak perlu Ibu sebutkan namanya, silakan menjawab saja dengan sebutkan namanya. Tentang apa? Ayo. Ada yang tahu?
Dia punya masalah.
Ya.
Kemarin dia punya masalah. Karena dia bangun kesiangan.
Oke, lanjutkan.
Wait.
Masalah karena alarmnya mati, jadi dia bangunnya terlambat dan harus terburu-buru pergi.
Oke, good ya. Jadi itu dia karena alarmnya mati, dia bangun telat dan kemudian dia harus terburu-buru ya. Kemudian
Tangannya kebakar.
I
Pas mau
burn.
menyiapkan-
Oke. My hand. Oke.
Kebakar saat mau menyiapkan sarapan.
Oke. And then? Yang terakhir
Dan
ini
setelah
apa?
sarapan, aku
Ini.
bersiap menggunakan baju.
Yang ini terakhir apa? I forgot where the
Lupa,
sock.
lupa menggunakan kaos kaki.
Oh ya, oke. Nah, jadi terrible yang pertama itu because of alarm not on, ya. So he was in hurry to prepare anything ya for breakfast, and then go dress ya, and then ya untuk breakfast dan go dressnya dia menjadi terburu-buru dan tergesa-gesa. Oke. Nah, next, what talk about paragraph 2? What is about? What it was about?
Dan lalu dia berlari keluar dari rumah dan mencoba untuk mendapatkan bus saat jam 9.30.
Ya.
Tapi dia ketinggalan.
Oke. And then? Ayo yang lain bantu ya. Jangan diam aja.
Aku mencoba untuk mencari taksi, tapi aku tidak mempunyai uang.
Oke, good. Ya. So the pointnya apa? What is about? Tentang apa?
Kesialan.
Kesialan. Ada yang sial, nak? Oke. Nah, oke, based on the text. Kira-kira apa nih poinnya? Coba siapa yang bisa menyimpulkan? Ceritanya tadi seperti itu, dia mau naik bus, and then ketinggalan, and then get taxi, but he not enough money. Ya, he didn't have enough money. He didn't have enough money. I don't know whether it is she or he it is. Apakah dia laki-laki atau perempuan, ini belum tahu ini. Ya.
Kesimpulan paragraf yang kedua atau semua teks ini?
Kedua, only two. Yang kedua baru kita we talk about the second paragraph.
Itu ya, mengejar keterlambatan, si penulis mengejar keterlambatannya dengan mengejar bus, tapi tentu saja nggak dapat, mau naik taksi juga nggak ada uang gitu.
Oke, nah, oke, so that is that was happen ya, after he was in hurry ya. Oke, now, now let's going to the last paragraph. Nah, kita lihat paragraf terakhir. What is about?
Akhirnya aku berjalan.
Semuanya respon ya. Kalau ayo jangan diem aja ya. Oke.
Dia jalan kaki ke sekolah 3 mil, tapi ternyata hari Minggu.
Oke. Nah, akhirnya dia jalan 3 mil ke sekolah ya kan? But that was Sunday. Ternyata hari Minggu. Oke. Nah, that is about the writer's day based on this paragraph. Have you ever got experience like this? Pernah nggak mengalami experience seperti ini?
Belum
Pernah ya, insya Allah jangan ya. Oke. Nah, my dear. So, in this text is the writer story. Ini kan ceritanya cerita si penulis. Nah, di dalam teks ini how many event happen? How many event? Berapa event kejadian yang terjadi di dalam teks ini?
6.
Ada 6. 6 apa-apa saja?
Woke up late.
Okay.
And burn her atau apa ya?
Yeah, burn my hand, okay. Then?
Forgot to wear socks.
Okay, forgot to wear a sock, ya. Okay.
Miss bus.
Okay, miss bus, ya. And then?
Try to take a taxi, but
okay. Try take taxi,
but she didn't have enough money.
Okay, berarti get the bus first ya, kemudian take the taxi ya. How many activity there? Berapa tadi semuanya?
6.
Oke, sick ya, ada sick. Oke. Nah, but it is including in 3 paragraph, tapi semuanya tergabung dalam 3 paragraf. Nah, jadi activity ini when did the activity happen? Kejadiannya kapan?
Yesterday.
Ya, yesterday, sudah lampau ya. Oke, sudah lampau. Nah, oke. And then what the end of the text? Endingnya apa dari teks ini? Endingnya kalau kamu simpulkan kira-kira apa ini? Yuk, apa endingnya? Halo?